Hello, all. Good afternoon. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Mouli Gopalakrishnan. I'm a program manager with NTD Data, supporting a large manufacturing client. And here with me is my good friend and colleague, Tyler Casalone, who's a solutions architect. What we're going to share is a brief compilation, of our experience, with this large client who was also, featured in the major keynote yesterday. And this is about our experience integrating Salesforce and SAP. So I'll kind of just hand over to Tyler. He's going to talk through a few slides.
Sure. Just real quickly, there's a number of things that when you're integrating with SAP or other ERP systems, you're just trying to get core value. So integrating, trying to bring that data from your ERP system, particularly pricing, orders, some of your inventory, and making that available and visible to your sales teams and customer service. One of the biggest things is also just master data then, bringing it over, and especially we've looked at communities and pulling together that customer experience where we're providing the self-service or very quick, rapid turnaround for our customers within the Salesforce platform, but utilizing that data that's outside. A number of places where you might see integrations with SAP, pulling into Salesforce. There's lots of opportunities here to make it from the price books, pulling in opportunities to make sure that our quoting and pricing is correct, and then our products where we can pull in all of our technical information or data sheets, whatnot, to create the quick quotes when our sales guys out in the field and working on their mobile device. A similar case can be made for customer service, where the idea is just get all of the relevant information needed, find a great way to present it, and make it as seamless as an experience for the end customer as we can.
Thank you, Tyler. A quick look at some of the technology considerations. There are 5 ways to integrate. All this stuff is pretty known, not new. But the difference is that we have had the opportunity to pretty much try out most of this over the last 5 years. And so one is using native ERP connectors, not used a lot. Integration middleware using ETL tools is pretty popular, good for large data integrations. We do use this a lot. In fact, we build in data quality and deduplication inside the ETL tools when we integrate key data like accounts and key master data. And we also use a lot of custom APIs, both SOAP and REST. SOAP is used pretty frequently with SAP, but now with the NetWeaver platform, we also get to use the REST API. And there are also options for mashups where we could get the SAP UI5 or on apps on the NetWeaver platform on the Salesforce UI. And there are also simple desktop integrators, just Excel, like getting just using simple Excel connectors to merge data or move data between SAP and Salesforce. And just on the architecture, of course, we could we have integrated SAP and Salesforce at 2 different layers here. One is on the presentation layer. So we have had UI5 apps built on SAP and bolted onto on Salesforce UI. And then we have the application layer integration where we use using APIs and ETLs. So we have done a lot of integration on that. There's also an option to integrate at the data layer, though it's not used and not highly recommended there. And here are some of our real-time use cases. One is we did bring in some live inventory and stock data from SAP into Salesforce and kind of sync them with the real-time cases. So providing a really good view of stock out situations and inventory, zero inventory situations to our customers and management. And then of course we did bring SAP master data into Salesforce, and bringing in SAP repair order cases or code cases into Salesforce, and syncing opportunity with SAP Business Forecast. and syncing SAP sales orders, and forecast to Salesforce opportunities. So, and also comparing your opportunity forecast versus your real-time book orders. So this is, of course, a big, use case, and we did see this, being talked about a lot in the analytics cloud, right? You know, uh, this scenario. So this, is a really good use case, and of course, the analytics cloud, with the coming in of analytics cloud, it's going to be, really big, use for this. Order fulfillment, again, we do we have automated work orders and sales order creation between Salesforce and SAP. So that's one. And then accelerating cash flow. So we do try to maintain, the monitor the health of all the customer accounts in Salesforce, based on the invoice and the customer health in SAP. So thereby, we kind of help the opportunity teams, the sales teams, to choose deals or to choose the best deals. It has been very effective in deal management, and also finding out which accounts are bad and which are doing good. And the one of the most important use cases, getting customer negotiated prices from SAP. This is very important. Getting doing the right code, using the right price, and the right price for the right customer. So this is something that we did, and of course, it's been a pretty successful one. And keep getting the pricing data into from SAP into Salesforce has been very instrumental, very helpful for the sales teams. Uh, that's it. That's kind of the end of the presentation. Thanks for staying on. I know it's the end of the Dreamforce. I wish you had a good Dreamforce, and I wish you have a safe and good travel back. Thank you.